Hello guys, how are you? Hope you all are good. So today I'm going to talking about Indus Valley civilization, মানে Hindu সভ্যতা. So let's get started.
Indus Valley Civilization, also called Harappan Civilization. Harappa was the first city which was discovered by Dayaran Sahani in 1921. Indus Valley Civilization flourished in around 2500 BCE in the western part of South Asia, whose major part lies in present Pakistan and western India. Some important sites of Indus Valley Civilization are Harappa, Mohenjo-daro, Chutka-Gender, Chanhu-daro, Amri, Kalibangan, Lothal, Banawali, Dholavira. হিন্দু সভ্যতাক হৰপ্পান সভ্যতা বুলিও কোৱা হয়। হৰপ্পা ফাৰ্ষ্ট ডিস্কভাৰ কৰিছিলে 1921 দাৰাম চাহানীয়ে। Subsistence strategies of the people included hunting, gathering, cultivation, pastoralism, distribution. People relied on many plants and animals, fishing, and agriculture for their food. There are evidences of bones of animals which prove that people consume meat. They cultivated wheat, barley, lentils, chickpea, sesame at the Harappan sites. In Gujarat, millets have been found. Rice was found rarely. Terracotta sculptures of the bull and their representation on the seals indicate that bull was known to them. From this, the archaeologists assumed that the oxen were used for ploughing. Animals were also domesticated like sheep, goats, pigs, etc. তেওঁলোকে চিকাৰ কৰিছিল, খেতি কৰিছিল, পশুপালন কৰিছিল। তেওঁলোকে ঘেঁহু, দালি, বাজৰা, ধান, তিল এইবিলাকো খেতি কৰিছিল। মহেঞ্জোদাৰোত এটুকুৰা কপাহী কাপোৰ আৱিষ্কাৰ হৈছিল। সম্ভৱতঃ হৰপ্পাৰ বহু অঞ্চলত কপাহৰো খেতি হৈছিল। বাৰিষাৰ সময়ত পানী নিয়ন্ত্ৰণৰ বাবে বান্ধৰ ব্যৱস্থাও আছিল। তেওঁলোকে নাঙলৰ ব্যৱহাৰো জানিছিল। The town planning of Indus Valley civilizations are very unique and advanced. The city of Mohenjo-daro was divided into two parts, the citadel and the lower city. Citadel was built on mud bricks platform. It was walled and separated from the lower town. The citadel was probably used for special public purpose. The lower town was walled. Several buildings were made on the platform that served as foundation. Labor was mobilized at a very large scale. The lower town of Mohenjo-daro provides example of residential building. Most of these were centered on a courtyard with rooms on all sides. Different activities like cooking, weaving were carried out in the courtyard, particularly during the hot and dry seasons. One of the most important features of Harappan cities was the well-planned drainage system. Every house was connected to the street drains. The drains were made of mortar, lime, and gypsum. On citadel, some special buildings were built, like the Great Fort of Mohenjo-daro. Such buildings were used on some religious occasions or on public gatherings. The Great Fort was a large rectangular tank surrounded by corridors on all four sides. হৰপ্পা সভ্যতা বা হিন্দু সভ্যতা নগৰীয়া সভ্যতা আছিল। ইয়াৰ নগৰসমূহক দুটা ভাগত ভগোৱা হৈছিল, যেনে এটা হৈছে দুৰ্গ অঞ্চল আৰু এটা নিম্ন অঞ্চল। দুৰ্গ অঞ্চলসমূহক চিটাডেল বুলি কোৱা হৈছিল। দুৰ্গ অঞ্চলসমূহত জনবসতি কম আছিল আৰু উচ্চ স্থানত অৱস্থিত আছিল। ইয়াৰ লোকসকলে প্ৰস্ৰাৱগাৰ, শৌচালয়ৰ ব্যৱহাৰো কৰিছিল। পোৰা ইটাৰ ব্যৱহাৰ আৰু নলাৰ সুব্যৱস্থাও আছিল। আৱৰ্জনা নিষ্কাশনৰ বাবে সুব্যৱস্থাও আছিল। Trade and commerce are also main source of income for them. They import gold from Afghanistan, Iran, kolar situated in South India, tin from Afghanistan, Iran. Indus Valley civilization exported gold jewelry, cotton textiles, copper and bronze fish hooks, and live chicken, etc. They use gold and silver, but iron was not known to them. In Indus Valley civilization, dockyard also found at Lothal. It was a lug tank where ships and boats would enter through canals to load and unload the goods. They also used seals. তেওঁলোকে seals ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছিল। এই sealসমূহ তেওঁলোকে ব্যৱহাৰ কৰিছিল বস্তুৰ বেগসমূহ বান্ধিবলৈ, যিসমূহ নেকি এখন ঠাইৰ পৰা আন এখন ঠাইলৈ পঠিওৱা হৈছিল। এই sealসমূহে বস্তু পঠিওৱাজনৰ পৰিচয় দিছিল। It means the seals were basically used to convey the identity of the sender and to facilitate long-distance communication. The people of Indus Valley civilizations are very expert in art and crafts. The forms of art found from various sites of the civilization include sculptures, seals, pottery, jewelry, terracotta figures, etc. A large quantity of pottery excavated from the sites. The potteries were some wheel-made and some handmade. Potteries are used for storing food, water, cooking, etc. The figure of the bearded man, interpreted as a priest, is draped in a shawl coming under the right arm and covering the left shoulder. This shawl is decorated with triple patterns. The eyes are little elongated and half closed as in meditative concentration. 4-inch high copper figure of a dancing girl also found at Mohenjo-daro. This exquisite casting depicts a girl whose long hair is tied in a bun. The people of Indus Valley civilizations were deeply religious. They worshipped Ma goddess Shiva Pashupati, animal, trees, sun, birds. But no structure like temples or palaces have been found. তেওঁলোকে পশুপতি পূজা, দেৱী পূজা, গছ-গছনি, চৰাই, সূৰ্য উপাসনাও কৰিছিল। কিন্তু কোনো ধৰণৰ মন্দিৰৰ ভগ্নাৱশেষ আৱিষ্কৃত হোৱা নাই। The people of Harappan civilization probably believe in life after death. They offered materials as grave offerings. The offerings buried with the dead usually included pottery and grain. হিন্দু সভ্যতাৰ মৃতদেহসমূহ গাঁত খান্দি পুতি দিয়া হৈছিল। এই মৃতদেহসমূহৰ লগত তেওঁলোকে পটাৰী, শস্য, অলংকাৰ এইসমূহো পুতি দিছিল। সম্ভৱতঃ তেওঁলোকে পুনৰ্জন্মত বিশ্বাস কৰিছিল। So from this, we came to know that the Indus Valley people are very concerned for health and sanitation. They built a scientific drainage system in their cities. They are very civilized, very advanced in town planning. So from this we come to know that they are very civilized. They are advanced in town planning. They are concerned for health and sanitation. So তেওঁলোক কিমান সভ্য আছিল, কিমান হাইজেনিক আছিল, ইয়াৰ পৰাই জানিব পাৰি। So these are some important short keys of Indus Valley civilizations or Harappan civilization. So এয়াই হৈছে সিন্ধু উপত্যকাৰ সভ্যতাৰ কিছুমান ইম্পৰ্টেণ্ট কি নোটছ। যদি ভাল পাইছে জনাব আৰু যদি কিবা ভুল হৈছে শুধৰাই দিব। ধন্যবাদ। থেংক ইউ।